Okay, well, I'm a little bit upset right now. I freaking recorded like for like 7 minutes. I was doing the Wiggler boss in the Jello Beach, and the freaking video didn't even record. So that's like 7 minutes of footage down the drain. But that's not even the shine that I'm really worried about. It's this shine. The sandbird is born. Here goes nothing. Yeah, play that relaxing music. Because this is not a relaxing stage. This stage will give you freaking panic attack because it's so hard. Or it's so nerve-wracking, I should say. This is a really nerve-wracking stage. Look, a one-up. I want it. I want this. Thank you. Not too fond of whatever you're doing. Oh, he's starting. Mario. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Moving platforms in this game don't fucking function. Oh, go! Okay. Why did my camera move like that? I did not move my camera at all. I was not even near the camera joystick thing. It's just... Oh, no, no, no. Okay, come on. That's another thing. If you jump, you fall. This is super... Especially with the delayed video on OBS. This is just... Okay. Because I'm not at my fullest potential playing this on the OBS.
You suck!
Like, if I were playing on the... But if we okay. Oh my god, okay. No, no. The bird is turning. Mario, get on it. The bird. You stupid fucking bird. If this was a secret course, imagine if you could use FLUDD here. That would just be cruel. Oh man, that was super fucking fun. But we did it. I really hope this recording is working. If not, I'm gonna be insanely pissed off. There's nothing more that grinds my gears and when my fucking things don't work. I am LBTCO. I'm fucking cool. I don't care. Actually, this game is fucking lazy because they reused the fucking model from fucking Zelda. Move out of the way, bro. Ow. I fucking just broke my... That was embarrassing. That was easy. Okay, that was absolutely pathetic compared to the Sandbird. That was like... I haven't even been recording for 2 minutes. I should get something off my chest. So, I was a little bit of a douchebag 2 years ago. You might say, well, how's that? Well, it was like 2 years ago. I don't know if any of this is true. I highly doubt it, but in case it is true, I sincerely apologize. Because, that should not have happened to anyone. But, basically, there was this person, I think it was a friend of a friend or something. They said that their father, them or something, and they said that like 6 times. Not like 6 times, no, they said that it happened 6 times. And, that's no good. So, but like, and then they said that their brother got shot or something, and that their sister committed suicide all in the same month, and they couldn't call the police because they didn't have a phone plan. And that's where you start questioning it. But and then like some other Well, actually, I don't really want to blame because I did make fun of him. I was like, ha. No, I wasn't making fun of it because of it. I was making fun of him because they were lying, most definitely. But the way I made fun of it was not very clear on that. Because if all that did happen, I'm very sorry for that. It should not happen to anybody. If that's even if they watch this, because I highly doubt that they're gonna watch this. But if it didn't happen to you and you're just lying, fuck you. Because you shouldn't lie about stuff like that. Because that's terrible. But I did make fun of him. I said like, haha, your brother died. That's still fucked up. You shouldn't do that to someone who is lying. You should say, hey man, I don't really believe in your story. I don't believe your story, and I think that you're lying. But no, I didn't do that. I just went straight to the point, which is that's not good. Okay, there we go. That was annoying. That was horrendously annoying. I don't have any screenshots or anything about this stuff happening. So you're just gonna have to mark my word here. But yeah. Maybe don't be like me. Come back here, you little fucker. Little fucking bitch. Better get the fuck over here, stupid fucking bitch. From now, he's just like gone. Where the hell did Shadow Mario go? What the fuck? Oh, there he is. It fuck, dude. Aw, oh, darn. Foiled again. I think he actually does say foiled again at one point. Unironically. He's like a cartoon villain or something. Gelato Beach. The Watermelon Festival. This is a pretty annoying shrine because the watermelon will break if it touches anything. Because wait, we can't let it touch the ducks. Holy crap. Uh-oh. 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 No. No, no, no. Leave the watermelons alone. Leave him alone. No! Careful. Oh my god. Holy crap. It's gracefully dodging all of those ducks. And... holy shit. Hold on. Hold on. It's like at the end. Okay, okay. Oh, I did it. Whoa. Hip hip hooray. I did it. Alright, well, that's like literally all of Gelato Beach. I really desperately, insanely hope that, my video is recording. That's it. I don't know, see ya.